Thanks, guys. Quick intro. Vernon Grigg is a former prosecutor in San Francisco. He is now CEO of the Center for Electoral Equity. Vernon, I want to thank you for coming back.
Welcome.
I know this is not easy for you. You went to Yale Law School with Brett Kavanaugh. In fact, you were in a tight inner circle of friends. Let's remind viewers what you said about Kavanaugh shortly after his nomination, before the sexual misconduct allegations came out.
He's warm, he's engaged, he's funny, he's really quick with a wit. Brett is qualified. Brett is smart. And so I think in that regard, he's worthy of this confirmation. But at the same time, as a father of daughters, as a black man in this country, as a person who's in favor of voting rights, I'm worried.
All right, you were clear that you were worried about the balance of the court, but not about Kavanaugh as a person or jurist, right?
Right.
But then came last week's hearing, this. Tell me what you saw there and your reaction to it.
Well, I was shocked, like a lot of people. I hadn't seen that Brett Kavanaugh before. I hadn't seen him that angry. I hadn't seen him that kind of fired up and kind of personal in the way that he's dealt with things. I hadn't seen that at all. I've seen him in a lot of environments too. We've played a lot of competitive sports and hard-fought stuff, and seen him when he's. But I'd never seen that before. And so even a lot of this law school community started buzzing, like, what was that? And that's not going to work. And that was really a problem.
Does that side concern you for someone who would sit on the Supreme Court?
Well, certainly if it were to continue, of course, yes, it would. I mean, as anyone who has, myself and others, if you've seen criminal proceedings and process, the people are there all the time who feel like they're wrongfully accused. A lot is on the line. Their whole lives are on the line. And they have to respect the process. They have to respect the decorum necessary for the proceedings to go forward. And in every other way, I think, Judge Kavanaugh has exhibited that, and this was very unusual.
So on a personal note, how has it been like for you the past week as you and your friends tried to make sense of the guy you saw at that hearing and the guy you knew? Of course, as friends, you asked to bear witness to his character.
Yeah, it's been a real turmoil, emotional-driven time, like no other that I can remember. Because, of course, at first it was about putting aside your political views and kind of thinking of him as a judge and his suitability to be on the court, and that required some balancing. And then we had, even after I spoke here, we had Dr. Blasey Ford testified, and that was just breathtaking. I mean, that was so shocking, and your heart couldn't help but go out to her and to what she's going through. You were like, I've never seen anything like this. What's going on? And so it goes back and forth. And then what role do you owe to a friendship versus your family, and what you know is right, but what you don't know is true, and it's really complicated.
I can imagine. All right, we do want to talk more about the road ahead for Kavanaugh if he is confirmed, and of course what this political battle has done in terms of the court and the midterms. So let's give Vernon a few minutes break, and we'll continue this conversation in just a little bit. Larry and Alma.